How to hard reset Nokia G22. Step 1. Firstly, disable your smartphone by pushing the power key for a few seconds. Step 2. Then hold down the volume down and power keys for a moment. Step 3. Now let go of all held keys when the fast boot mode pops up.